Hi, I am Nitin Chopra from Grogy.com, the daily online supermarket. Grogy.com is a digital grocery fulfillment solution which is feature loaded to build a sustainable business. Are you a serious entrepreneur and interested in creating a long-term and evergreen business? Grogy.com offers low-cost franchise and helps you to build a profitable business in your city. Join us in the journey to create a network of interested budding entrepreneurs in building a successful online grocery business. Are you using any other online grocery services? Do you enjoy their services? Share your experience in the comment box. This will help us. The nearby Kirana shop is always a big competitor for online grocery. So how to differentiate ourselves from them and our other competitors too? Online grocery is in promising stage and believe us, it has a great future. In today's video, we shall discuss about how to create architecture of our business. And if this is right, we shall fly over the sky. Today's topic is unique selling and value propositions. Let's dive deep. So how we can differentiate ourselves from our competitors? Let it be big or small. There is a famous quote, if we don't distinguish ourselves from the crowd, we will be the crowd. So coming to the point, what are our unique selling and value propositions? How we are different from our competitors? How our services can make our end customers' life better? The first is low-cost delivery model. We can achieve this by mass delivery system, optimize delivery area segmentation, electrically assisted green delivery system. Second is daily subscriptions. This includes no minimum order and dedicated delivery slot. Third is hyper-local crafted marketplace. Fourth is same-day delivery. Fifth is instant returns. Sixth is digital brand assistance. Let's start with low-cost delivery model. Grogy.com, the daily online supermarket, is a low-cost business model that is different from other grocery delivery services. Three things set it apart. First, our delivery structure is based on mass delivery system. A single delivery agent can manage multiple deliveries for delivery of groceries for the entire neighborhood in one go. The system has an inbuilt crate management system to manage multiple orders in a delivery vehicle. We will elaborate this discussion in our part 6 delivery channels video of this series. Second, Grocery runs on an optimized delivery area segmentation system. This is a system to collect multiple orders from specific locality and fulfill them area-wise. The system is designed to do delivery every day in specific locality rather than crisscross throughout the city. The system can be configured for multiple deliveries as required by the franchisee. For example, you can plan n numbers of deliveries in specific area of the city, in specific delivery window slot, and by specific delivery vehicle and specific delivery agent. The delivery model is designed in such a manner that is simple for the delivery agent to manage multiple deliveries in a particular locality every day. This model saves a lot of trips and reduces the delivery cost as low as single digit. We will elaborately discuss this in our part 6 delivery channels video of this series. Third, electrically assisted green delivery system helps to make last mile connectivity sustainable. With no fuel and a charging cost of a few rupees per day, the user's cost of an electrically assisted cargo bike for deliveries is next to nothing. Second is daily subscription. Daily subscription model focus on densely populated locality. These localities give a much larger target population concentrated in one area. The subscriber can choose between the available delivery time window at his or her convenience. Subscriber can be facilitated with no minimum order, dedicated delivery time window if they subscribe it. This makes high customer retention rate. We will have our elaborate discussion this in our part 4 customer interface, relation and retention video of this series. Third is hyper-local crafted marketplace. The online grocery market is divided into many categories. We have discussed about it before in our first video. It's quite difficult to manage the complete range of commodities against all categories. In short, there are three ways to fulfill orders against wide range of products. That is hyperlocal marketplace. Hyperlocal delivery model is when the products are collected from third-party vendor and are fulfilled within a particular geographical area. Second is inventory, when the inventory is owned by you and fulfilled from your shop or warehouse. Third is hybrid. Hybrid model is the mix of our two models. In grocery businesses, assigning local grocery retailers can't share profit margin as the margins are lean. We need to build a supply chain with the manufacturers, with the wholesaler and stockist. This supply chain should be efficient and should create maximum profits as it minimizes cost on maintaining inventory. You can customize the complete hyperlocal supply chain as per the requirement. Our system supports multiple vendor products assignment. Accordingly, the fulfillment mechanism supports the collection and delivery machinery too. The advanced mechanism and algorithm helps users order to split between the assigned manufacturer, stockist and wholesaler or qualified vendors for the item, and it is based on the brands and the vendor assigned behind. This is one of the unique process to maximize profits. It is quite clear we need to build a marketplace where products from multiple suppliers and brands has to be listed. Marketplaces mainly are of three types. One is open, second is curated, and third is crafted. It needs a separate video and we will have an elaborate discussion on this in our part 5 supply chain and pricing strategy video of this series. We are a right business partner who is dedicatedly working on developing an online grocery ecosystem. Become our city franchisee. To know more about our franchisee, visit franchise.grocery.com. Give a missed call or WhatsApp at 83-890-99119. Type the message franchisee followed by name, followed by gender, followed by age, followed by the city of interest. We shall call you back within 24 hours. Fourth is same day delivery. Nearby kirana shops always try to fulfill the order within few hours. Shoppers will go local rather than booking order online. To meet this, when keeping the USP intact is a challenge. To crack supply chain and figure out efficient delivery mechanism is a big deal. We have a solution of it and shall discuss on this in our video part 6 delivery channels of this series. Fifth is instant returns. Poor return management or poor return experience can discourage customers from shopping with a same brand again. Grocery shopping is our daily habit. Touch and feel of the unwanted products promotes the user for instant return. In case of user ordering multiple versions of the same item is also a case of return when they are delivered. We introduce the return management feature inbuilt in the system. The invoice gets generated after the return is initiated and the return items amount is settled with the vendor. Returns can be a major headache for e-grocers. There's the cost of processing returns in terms of staff and resource. In case of slow moving items, there is a risk that these items returned may not be easily resold. We would like to introduce some few facts on this subject. 57% of online retailers said that dealing with returns have a negative impact on the day-to-day running of their business. 33% of online retailers offer free returns but offset the cost of this by charging higher for deliveries. 20% said that they did increased the price of product to cover the cost of returns. We will have an elaborate discussion on this in our part 4 customer relation and retention video of this series. Now, when we smartly work on this USP, what value directly or indirectly we create for our customers? When the cost of delivery is in single digit, we can offer free delivery against orders of small basket size. Daily subscription facilitate customer in densely populated locality with no minimum order and dedicated delivery time window. Hyperlocal crafted marketplace enables convenience to users at one platform for all his daily essentials. End user doesn't have to wait for the essentials. Technology enables the customer to have a same day delivery. Instant returns amplifies trust in customers. Which one consumer problem we can help to solve? Low cost doorstep delivery. Buy small, eat fresh. What bundles of product and services are we offering to each segment? Variety of assortment of daily essential at one place. 6th point is digital brand assistance. We provide digital brand assistance to FMCG players. The FMCG sector is a saturated network, and companies need to think of the ways to keep their brands front of mind and get their products in the hands of their consumer. Our platform creates great digital experiences for enterprise level organizations. One of the major assistance to brands is the ability to collect valuable customer data that's help to understand their purchasing habits and form a one-to-one relationship with their customers. Helps brands to increase brand reach and offers a seamless experience for individual shoppers. Allows brands to add more products lines and experiment with innovation free from the restrictions of traditional retail relationship. Online grocery is different from other e-commerce business. Creating right business model, building technology around it is a big challenge. We are there to help you. Please subscribe this channel. Guys, it is free to subscribe. Please click the bell icon for future notification of fresh videos on this subject. Like and comment on this video. If you feel that this video can be helpful to others, kindly share it. Meet you in our next video on marketing mix. Goodbye and take care. Bye.